Yeah, that's true. Because I mean, I was signed to 1020, Cartel company as Java,
Yes.
and basiza like with the bringing the names out there, and then aphela my contracts because nabo bebeqala bebengaka even now abakasayini umuntu because they wanted to go back
What
to
is it called? Cartel?
1020 Cartel.
1020 Cartel.
Yeah, so they went back to the drawing board, aphela my contract, and then that's when I started in Okanyisa from there. But I still get a lot of support from Java a lot. So yeah.
Why the name?
The name 1020 Cartel?
No Khanyisa.
Nokhanyisa.
Yeah.
Hayi igama lami engaliphiwa mkhulu. Nokhanyisa sokhanyisela nontaba zimhlophe undongwana zibomvana. Yebo. Ibongo zami, yes.
Okay, I get it. And what inspired you, or what keeps you being inspired in your craft? Because I believe in everything. Kunesikhathi lapho ufile ukuthi akunanto ekumotivateayo. What keeps you going?
I think knowing what I want. Angakafiki la ngifuna ukufika khona, so izafika vele insuku where I'm like, yo, I'm done, bruh, ngifuna ukuya ekhaya manje. But we always get up. Also, I have great friends. I have a great lover in my life. So I have abantu abangikhumbuza ukuthi, yo, you're great, bruh. You're dope. Yeah, but, and I also do see I also have fans who love me so much. So I do see whenever I feel down, let me take that time off. But this is what I was born for, man. Like
so it's okay to ukhokha at some point, because most sinokubona nakuma movies, sinokubona nakuma music videos, someone writes something and it doesn't make sense and then they squash and put in the bin. And do you face those challenges where uyabhala kodwa lento oyibhalayo ayenzi sense and you get frustrated and all that?
I do. I have a lot of books I've written and not finished. I have a lot of poems I've written and didn't finish. But I think when it comes to writing like that, once I stop, I can't go back to the same thing and carry it on.
Are you serious?
I have that problem, yeah. I have a lot of things I'm like, oh, this was so dope. But now, angisakwazi ukuyiqhubeka, Yeah, so... But into once ngibambile, like I write ngabhala the whole day until I finish it. So yeah, I just wish I had something to keep me to that. Because ebook, I haven't finished any book because lead the ebook. So once I stop, so I have half.
I get it. I think we all get frustrated at some point, feeling that am I in a right path and all that, and you cry about it and all that. And let's talk about Blood Legacy. Tell me about it.
I got an email from this white lady.
Yes. Blood Legacy, guys, on Netflix, ne?
Yeah. Athi ufuna ngenze a poem for a teaser, Blood Legacy.
Yes.
And I thought it was a scam. I was like, there's no way I'm being texted by someone also in Los Angeles right now telling me that I must do something for Netflix. Like, where did this person hear me, Yeah. And then I'm reading what she's saying. I'm like, okay, it's not a scam because she's not asking for anything from me. Yeah, but and then I started talking to them, Bakuluma, and it sounded so professional.
Yes.
They were so professional. To record a demo, you get a demo fee, you get paid to record a demo, to send a demo. Everything, they handled everything, transport, everything. So I was like, okay, that's what's happening. Bank Sendela, even the treatment about, okay, it's real. I had to sign an NDA about, okay.
Yeah, now it's gone Agnes game.
This is working. And then I did it, and they were so happy. They were so happy with what I did. And I had to wait for a while for them to buy Kete. Is it right? And that time was the longest time I've had to wait. And then they got back to me and like, they love it. The producers love it. Siaitata and Puma, and it's there on Netflix. My trailer. Yeah, it was very dope. It was a dope experience. It was a short poem, but it was a big deal. It was a big deal. And
a
big
did
bag.
You at least pat yourself at the back and say, girl, you're doing well, man. It's okay. Don't be hard on yourself.
I don't think about it. Oh, it says shy on Netflix, you know?
Yeah, you want
to too many more, man. Too many more.
Too many more.
Yeah.
And then, I'm curious. Your dream collab locally.
My dream
yes,
collab.
I mean, so collaborating but other people that you would want to work with.
I think I've worked with the people. I just want to do an album now with them. Like I make soul. He's the person. I want to do an album. Okay. I have worked with a lot of people, but I wouldn't say I have a dream collab in South Africa per se, you know. No, I don't. I've worked with the people that I wanted to work with, because when I got here, Jama was like, who do you want to work with? I was like, in the soil. And then next week they said Ubuhle Vendad, you know, so that was like, and Ubuhle Vendad, yeah. So yeah, it would just be doing more songs with her, doing more songs with Ujama, doing more songs with the people that I've worked with. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And Zoe Modiga also. Yeah. I would love to work with her. She's very dope.
Zoe.
She's very dope. She's very old school.
Yeah. And then
I think they've passed away. So yeah.
I hear you.
Yeah, I listen to Abu Breda, you know, Abu Deborah Fraser, you know, those people.
Okay.
Yeah, Abu Mkumeni.
Okay.
I listen to a lot of people at Bangaseko.
Yeah. And then international?
Yami, there's a guy from France, Otua Uyami. Yeah, he's very dope. I would really love to work with him. And Umani Wells. Wells is also dope. Thames. Yeah, Thames is also dope. I would be stretching it mangati Billie Eilish, but yeah, I think me and Billie Eilish would do something very dope.
No.
Yeah. I think
do you see it? Do you feel it?
Yeah, nyambona. Yeah. Ngaphuma something dope there. Yeah.
And then I want to know your top 3 favorite poets.
My top 3 favorite poets.
National or local, international or local. It's so high.
I don't know international poets. Would I say Kendrick is a poet? I guess
he is. He is. I believe bonke bomrepa are poets.
Yeah, it's poetry. I would say number 1, Uzamani Mzobe. There's a guy called Uzamani Mzobe from Durban. Ushai poetry, Ushai comedy poetry. He's very, very dope. Google Kush Mahlega. Secondly, Kush is actually number 1.
Okay.
And then Uzamani Mzobe. Ushai English, Kush Kota. I have a song with her also on the album No Kanyis.
Okay.
And then Uzamani Mzobe. And then Sesingasho to Kendrick because we say 3.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I said 5. I spell it 5.
Uscelo Mpungos.
Yeah.
Ulune City.
Okay.
And then Kendrick.
Okay.